Vivash, inform your friends please to join fast.
Yes, ma'am. I informing them.
Hello, Santosh. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Santosh has left. Okay, Lalita, you were speaking, na?
Yes, ma'am.
We continue, Lalita. We continue.
Ma'am, I have told about merits and demerits of
Yeah.
offline and online classes.
Yeah.
Role of teacher. Now, can I say about role of teacher, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely.
Or, ma'am, teachers play generally, according to my point of view, teachers are very important in our shaping our futures, ma'am. Right from the age of 3 or from kindergarten to university, they are the one who impart us knowledge, not only knowledge, but they also teach about the ethical values, morals that are very important to lead our life, ma'am. They are not only means they generally sometimes they become our friend, and they generally deal with our personal problems also. They give us, they generally teach us how to live properly and in mannered way and in correct way in life. They developed our personality also, and make us the better version of what we are.
Okay. 5 minutes time, it is too short, okay? 5 minutes time is there for you.
Mm, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, generally people consider that having being a teacher is very easy, but I considered it as a very difficult job, because they are responsible to save the future, and what our world or what our country's futures are in their hands, and they mold us generally in. a correct manner or in correct order. Ma'am, their jobs are very challenging and equally important also. The responsibility that they impart and the responsibility that they have to impart correct knowledge in right manner and in right methodology also, ma'am.
Okay.
And they are generally responsible to motivate student in their tough time. And ma'am, according to me or my personal point of view, they are the one who give students the right way, or what generally students, there are some students like me, also, ma'am, that I have no goals in my life, but knowing from teachers their journeys, their stories have inspired me a lot and have motivated me to do work hard in my life and to achieve whatever I love or whatever I want to be in my life. So I think teachers are teachers are very important in life, in everybody's life. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. And no one is there. So what to do? I don't know now. Because you have completed your part. No one has joined. Okay, Lalita, I will wait for some time. If they will not join, then I don't know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Santosh. Santosh, will you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Santosh, we continue.
मैम मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया, पता नहीं चला क्या बोल।
हाँ?
मैम सुनाई नहीं दिया, आप क्या पूछे?
I have given the topic, na Santosh. On that
Yes,
topic,
ma'am.
you please speak.
मैम आपने 2 टॉपिक दिया था, रोल ऑफ टीचर्स इन लाइफ एंड फेस टू फेस वर्सेस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लर्निंग। कौन से टॉपिक के बारे में बोलना है?
Don't talk. Both the topics.
मैम रोल ऑफ टीचर्स इन लाइफ के बारे में बोलते।
Okay.
Teachers play a very important role in our life. They guide us. They guide us what is wrong or what is right, and they teach us how to become a good citizen. They bright our careers by giving good knowledge. Teacher is like a candle who imparts light to our lives.
Do you have any problem?
मैम सेंटेंस नहीं मिल रहा है मन में।
Say no problem. No issues. In Hindi, can you say? I will translate it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
टीचर्स हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाती है।
Okay. What you will say in English? Teachers plays a eminent role.
Play an important role in our
Important
life.
नहीं, eminent बोलना. Eminent role. Teachers play.
क्या मैम?
Eminent.
Eminent.
Yeah. थोड़ा words to improve up. ठीक है?
Yes. माता पिता के बाद शिक्षक ही वे होते हैं जो हमारे जीवन में शिक्षा, ज्ञान और सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करते हैं, जैसे कि कैसे जीवन में आगे बढ़ा जाए, क्या किया जाए क्या ना किया जाए इसके बारे में।
तो क्या बोलेंगे? After parents, teachers are only the persons who enlighten or who lighten our life with knowledge and make our path brighter. Next, you speak, I will translate, you remember. Got it?
यस मैम। टीचर्स जो होते हैं वो स्टूडेंट को सीखने में और उसको लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस करने में मदद करते हैं।
Okay. Teachers help students progress in their life, both in academic as well as academic के साथ क्या होता है हमारा क्या लाइफ है? Any one of you? Personal life.
यस मैम। टीचर्स जो होते हैं वो स्टूडेंट के आगे फ्यूचर कैरियर को एक आकार प्रदान करते हैं।
Teachers shape the future of the student.
उन्हें जब स्टूडेंट को कोई मार्ग नहीं दिखता है आगे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है तो वे आते हैं और हमें अच्छे से गाइड करते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। और हमें
Teachers
प्रोत्साहन
provide a
प्रदान करते हैं।
pathway. Teachers provide a pathway to the students and guide them as a mentor how to sustain in the society and how to move forward in the career life.
शिक्षक क्योंकि वो बहुत अनुभवी होते हैं अपने जीवन में तो वे हम लोग को बताते हैं कि जीवन में किस समस्या का सामना करना पड़ सकता है और क्या करना पड़ सकता है तो उन सब के बारे में हमें सॉल्यूशन बताते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए ये नहीं करना चाहिए।
And थोड़ा ट्राई करो अपने से, please try yourself to speak. नेक्स्ट क्या हो सकता है? ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे आते हैं, ऑनलाइन एंड फेस टू फेस।
यस मैम। मैम इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस there is very little concentration on study because the teachers cannot focus all the students at a time.
Very good.
And in the offline classes teachers look up all students at a time, so students have to concentrate in study. In online classes a difficulty of internet issue can be faced by the student or teacher both, but in offline classes there is no any issue of internet or any
I am not going so deeper with you. I am just मैं आपसे उतना डीप नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं आपसे बस इतना पूछूंगी कि according to you online is good or face to face?
Ma'am, face to face is good. Face to face learning.
Face to face. क्यों? 2 points.
Ma'am, in offline classes we have we have a competitive environment, so we have to study hard and hard. And second, we can ask any question at any time in
Hmm.
offline classes.
Okay. So which is most time saving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Santosh, improve your English.
Yes, ma'am.
Santosh, you are reading the newspaper.
मैम जैसे कुछ भी लिख लेते हैं मैम, जैसे कि कोई भी चीज का ट्रांसलेशन कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जल्दी जल्दी बोलने में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है।
और ट्राई करिए, है ना? कोशिश
मैम ये चंद्रभान सिंह का बहुत बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आ रहा है, बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है।
कौन सी का आवाज आ रहा है? Now, Uday Kumar. Uday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please?
What, ma'am?
Can you please tell?
This is my first class, ma'am.
No, I have given. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I have given the topic. So you
What's the topic, ma'am?
teachers plays an important role, and another one is your online versus face-to-face teaching. The topics I have given to you. Okay. So please proceed and speak. These are very
Teachers
simple.
play an important.
Yeah.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, please speak.
Teachers play an
5 minutes
important
you are
role.
being allotted to speak on. Okay, 5 minutes is being provided to you to speak. Please speak. Okay, start.
Teacher play an important role for the students. The role of teacher is to inspire, motivate, and encourage to the students. Without teacher, a student cannot think about the future and not plan for the future. Teachers give more experience to the students and share the year and difficulties in his life.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What picture?
Please speak Uday. It is very simple topic.
Yes, ma'am. A teacher's presence in a student life can boost their morale and guide them to more valuable in life. Without teacher like as a candle, ma'am, just reflect more knowledge to the student.
You can't say 5 to 6 lines fluently.
Ma'am,
Huh? You are the final year students. What you will do? You can't say, you can't speak fluently the English. 5 lines at least you can't speak. What you will do when you will face some interviews? They will give you the topic on the spot. At that time, what you will do? I have provided the topic before a day.
Ma'am, I'm not seeing the topic, ma'am.
Now I'm just telling you, know, what is a teacher role? You can share your own personal experience and views of a teacher. What the vital role a teacher plays, how teacher encourage yourself, how you get being motivated by a teacher, how you face some kind of problem when a teacher makes you feel better.
Yes.
Whom do you admire the most?
Admire means, ma'am?
Admire means मतलब आप किसको ज्यादा मतलब क्या बोलते प्रोत्साहन क्या बोले उसको प्रेरणा
Inspiration.
impression admire I admire that means आप अपना किसको इसको ये करते प्रेरणादायक you people have problem in speaking English I have problem in speaking Hindi that is the problem between you and me if I tell you to speak in Hindi you can fluently speak in Hindi and when you ask the meaning to me in Hindi it's creating a problem for me that what is the meaning in Hindi.
Teachers are the role models of the society, ma'am.
Please don't tell the role. They plays a vital role. So अपना इंग्लिश का एक लेवल लाओ फाइनल ईयर वो ये 5 6 7 का बच्चा ऐसा बोलता है तुम लोग एक फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट हो फर्स्ट यू रिमेंबर यू द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ फाइनल ईयर व्हाट इंप्रेशन यू हैव टू क्रिएट ऑन being an engineering student how you will face an interview now all those things are in the online mode virtual mode on the spot they will give you the topic and they will say to switch on your video okay any of the topic you are comfortable with you can speak any topic you choose your topic on which topic you will say you tell me you just speak but be fluent any of the topic Uday no okay Pintu Kumar Pintu Kumar unmute yourself Pintu Kumar unmute yourself next Uday I am coming to you hello
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
yeah I
ma'am.
am coming to you okay
Yes, ma'am.
you speak in Hindi Santosh has done few lines you speak in Hindi okay in a better way I will just translate it
What's the topic? Why? Teacher or online classes?
yeah teachers
Online teachers. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है मुझे
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा बोलो तुम हमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है बोलो उधर
मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट टाइम ज्वाइन किया मैम, उसके बाद पता नहीं था कि इसमें स्पीकिंग हो रहा है।
एक टीचर आपको किस तरह से हेल्प करते हैं, गाइड करते हैं? संतोष ने जैसे बोला कि आफ्टर पेरेंट्स द टीचर्स प्लेस अ वाइटल रोल। स्कूल में कभी भी छोड़ के जाते हैं टीचर्स के पास पेरेंट्स। Why? Because they believe that my child will be here safe, secure and all those things. ये चीज है ना।
Yes, ma'am.
I can say that, what should I say, that the role of a teacher is the most effective part for any of the student, because वो एक अपना छाप छोड़ के जाता है। That provides something, it provides you that what you see in a teachers, what qualities you see, that things are being implemented on you people. When something new you have to learn, something new is skill, the teacher acts as a supportive person. The teacher is a supportive person. The teacher can be your coach,
Yes, ma'am.
counselor. A teacher is a very good counselor also. If you share something, your problems and all those things, he or she will definitely, teacher will tell you, we will counsel you things. And in professional, when a teacher is there, there's some particular subjects, topics they have to go through. If you find that teacher is quite good and effective, it creates an interest on you people. You people are eager to know कि हमको जानना है, हमको सीखना है. By doing is teaching more effectively and in a very good manner, besides an interesting manner. And moreover, I think a teacher is a mentor. It is a main thing that a teacher works as a mentor. A teacher looks on the students' behavior, their work. So in professional area, you must have seen the senior teachers are always there. And under them, the younger teachers works. So the senior teachers also works as a mentor for the junior teachers, because they know better the things in that profession. And one more thing is that another thing as a main and important thing, that is a teacher is a person who tries to create in you the leadership skills. He or she tries to create some leadership skills. If I will say, no, Santosh, if you know, don't able to speak in Hindi, I will not make you in my class. Just get out of my class. Uday, you don't know, speak in English, get out of my class. You people don't know how to speak English? If I will say it like this, if I behave so rudely to you people, what you will say? वो कभी सीखना ही नहीं है. You will never learn that subject. छोड़ो, इतना डांटती है मैडम, बाप रे, क्लास ही नहीं घुसना मैडम का. तो सब कुछ जान जाता तो फिर why I am attending the class? सब कुछ पता ही होता तो तुम लोग क्यों अटेंड करते? You are the learners and we here are there to make you corrections over there. यही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So one thing is that you should always work what problems you are facing, that things you should tell your teacher. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तुमको इंग्लिश स्पीक करने में दिक्कत है, संतोष को दिक्कत है. इफ आई विल हेल्प यू, इफ एनी हाउ आई कैन हेल्प यू, किसी तरह से मैं अगर तुम लोग को इम्प्रूव करा सकती हूँ, देन इट इज अचीवमेंट फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट द अचीवमेंट फॉर यू. You people are learners. We have to We are here to make you people learn. So in this way, I can say the teacher is the most vital person who creates the leadership skills. अगर हम बोल दें कि तुम लोग कभी जिंदगी में सीख ही नहीं सकते हो, तुम लोग से होगा ही नहीं, क्या होता है? You are getting demoralized. आपका सीखने का इच्छा जो है वो क्या हो जाता है? नहीं, खत्म हो जाता है धीरे धीरे. These things get demoralized. If I will say, no, you can. Why you can't? कोई तो सीख के नहीं आता. If you try, you can. And definitely, ये हकीकत बात है. If you wish, you can definitely. ऐसा कोई चीज है जो नहीं कर सकता कोई? Is there anything that you can't do? We can perform anything. No? It is possible now. Each and everything is possible for you people. अभी टाइम है, सीख सकते हो ना. हम तो बोलते हैं सीखो, सीखने में क्या है? Why you people are shy? आज तुमको शर्म लगेगा बोलने में. You people will shy right now. But आज हम लोग के सामने शर्म लगेगा, लेकिन कल पूरा जब आओगे पब्लिकली जब बोलना पड़ेगा तब कितना शर्म लगेगा. That time you will compete or that time you will learn. क्या करोगे? So I think there should be challenging mode. A teacher should be more challenging कि उसको स्टूडेंट को सिखाना है. And if a teacher accepts it like a challenge, then the students will get motivated. Because it is that type of profession that a teacher's profession is that they have to make their something new to learn to the students. That they should create something new that a student should learn in a better way. And how we can improve these things by giving you the tasks. So that yesterday only I have given you the tasks so that you people get well prepared and speak. And please from the next time, in the next class also I will give you 2 topics. Please prepare and come. Especially my request is to Santosh and Uday.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
don't hesitate.
Okay, ma'am. We just try.
Hesitate करने से कुछ होने वाला है क्या? If you will hesitate,
नहीं,
क्या
नहीं.
हो जाएगा? कुछ अचीव करोगे? यहाँ किसी को मेडल मिल रहा है, ट्रॉफी मिल रहा है. This is class to improve your communication skill part. This part is not here. A competition is not going on. That who will first, second, third. Now today this class is running on. That's why you people are knowing what your weaknesses are there. तभी ना आज पता चल रहा है आप पे क्या weakness है. How you can overcome, किस तरह से बाहर आओगे, किस तरह से में improvement लाओगे. तभी ना पता चले. अगर क्लास नहीं होता तो कभी आप लोग ये चीज पे कभी आप लोग ध्यान ही नहीं आता ना. कभी आप लोग अपने आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट करते. Have you ever tried? कभी अपने आप में कोशिश किए हो कि हमको करना है? Because now the task has been given, so you are doing, you are completing. तब जाके आज आप इस काम को कर रहे, कंप्लीट कर रहे, खोज रहे हो, पढ़ रहे हो, बोलने का कोशिश कर रहे हो. अगर नहीं होता तो क्या आप लोग ये चीज करते कभी? Have you?
No, ma'am.
So my request is that only from my side, if I will try, that is not enough, ना. अगर मैं कोशिश करूंगी उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. कोशिश आपको भी करना पड़ेगा मेरे साथ. So sometimes some suggestions I am giving to you people, you must follow them. थोड़ा उससे कोशिश करना. I am not telling to spend the whole day. Just spend half an hour. At least you can spend half an hour. I don't think easily anyone can spend half an hour for this. So please, this is my humble request that please all of you from the next class come to the class by preparing the topics, because one day before only, and I think 1 hour is enough for preparing the topics. They are not so tough topics I am giving you people. In a simple language, you can just say the role of a teacher is to inspire, to motivate, to encourage. and for to educate. As from we know that teacher is that word that from where we are saying that teacher means who teaches. Where the teachers are found in the school, colleges and all. So, now, Pintu Kumar, will you speak? Will you unmute yourself? I shall again put you in the waiting room.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Will you speak? Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो. हाँ बोलना, yes बोलना तो yes, no बोलना तो no बोलो. What you want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please speak.
किस टॉपिक पे मैम?
Topic you don't know.
I know the teachers about teacher.
Please speak.
About teacher, ma'am.
Yeah, speak. About
Teacher
teacher, you are,
role of
have you seen the link? Have you read कि link खोले और join कर गए हो? Link में क्या लिखा है पढ़े हो? Have you gone through the link, the topics which I have given? क्या really I am surprised to see you 8th semester students. Please see the link. Otherwise, I am saying you online teaching versus face-to-face teaching, and what is the role of a teacher?
मैम नेक्स्ट डे से ऐसा ना होगा मैम.
हाँ?
नेक्स्ट डे से ऐसा नहीं होगा. लिंक सही तरीके से पढ़ करके तैयारी करके आएंगे मैम.
अभी कुछ बोल सकते हो? 2-3 लाइन्स तो बोल सकते हो. These are the recent topics. अभी ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन में आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? You can say ना.
Teacher give discipline properly me.
Okay.
Teacher guideline every time. Any problem of my life.
Okay.
And teacher
Gives us, not me, gives us.
Teacher give the
What you want to say in Hindi? You say.
Future progress in the life of my
teacher.
Give me future. मतलब कि फ्यूचर में हम लोग कुछ प्लान क्या कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में.
The pathway. The teacher shows the pathway.
हाँ, pathway of my life.
Of our life.
Of our life, sorry.
So can I start now? 1 minute is left. Can I say something about this one? क्या हम कुछ बोले इसके बारे में?
नहीं मैम.
Okay. Now I am saying, okay. Teachers are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. Teachers are a special blessing from God to us. Moreover, it has a great impact on the society as well as in a student's life. A good teacher is not that hard to find, but you must know where to look The teachers are well prepared in advance for their educational goals. Similarly, a teacher is like a friend that helps us in all our troubles. A good teacher creates their individual learning process, which is unique but not mainstream. This makes the students learn the subject in a better manner. In other words, a good teacher ensures their students are learning efficiently and scoring good marks. More importantly, a good teacher is one who does not merely focus on our academic performance, but